We are currently in Leesburg, Virginia. We do 2 weeks of training for the DIRT team.
DIRT stands for Dedicated Impact Response Team. Last year we onboarded our first team, and this year we're bringing on another 19.
The vision originally started with hurricane restorations. Instead of wasting 2 to 3 days of catching somebody new up to speed, let's create a team that we can call all the time who has been trained.
These guys are kind of the leads, right? They're the ones that always go, they're the ones that always have a bag packed, and they're the ones that love doing this stuff. In many ways, we structure this as train the trainer as well. So not only do they take the lead on deployments, but they go back to their markets and share the things they've learned.
This has a braking strength of 160,000 pounds.
Set this block broadside to the tower. Even though I've been doing it for years, I've learned a tremendous amount.
We're just learning how to become fast and efficient.
So on week 1, we teach chainsaws, towing and backing, and generator maintenance. Week 2, we are looking at satellite backhaul, self-deployments, and routers and eNode Bs so they can get into all of the gear, whether or not it's their home market vendor equipment.
Guys, today we're learning how to use their winch. These guys are going to be working in areas that are less than favorable, swampy conditions, down trees. So we want to make sure these guys are safe when they're using the gear that's been issued to them.
They're doing some drone flights. We use drone for search and rescue. We use drone for providing aerial cell sites. They're learning all of those different skills.
These assets not only are going to be used in times of disasters, but there's a lot of special events.
Your concerts, your graduations. You stick 100,000 people in a very congested area, you need that additional capacity.
We've got guys at Preakness right now. We did something in the water, which was a huge event in Virginia Beach. So it really is a matter of public safety, not just from a standpoint of deploying during a disaster, but preparation for large crowds and things like that.
The type of person that makes a good team member is someone who's definitely self-starting, a go-getter, almost a MacGyver. I can train skills, but I can't train work ethic and passion. That's something they have to bring to the table themselves.
These guys are the best of the best. They're the special forces of Verizon.
We are ready 24/7, and we are on call 24/7.